little baker exercise can support children with their reading and writing. Exploring the marks they make is an essential part of your baby's writing journey. Baking, or playing with dough more specifically, is the perfect opportunity for your baby to experiment with a variety of mark-making methods. The resources listed below are simply suggestions. We're sure you'll find lots of potential mark-making implements around your house. The wheels of a toy car or train, jigsaw pieces, or a toy animal's paw print are perfect examples. Wash your baby's hands, particularly if you're planning to bake with your dough after your baby has explored it. Sit your baby comfortably. A play tray or their high chair would be perfect. Allow your baby to explore the dough with their hands initially. You could model stretching, poking and prodding if your baby isn't too sure what to do. Introduce an implement of your choice and encourage your baby to explore the marks they can make in the dough with it. If your baby isn't interested or becomes bored, provide them with something else. Together, explore printing or creating swirls, line, dots and zigzags. The marks your baby will be interested in and capable of making will vary with their age and stage of development. The goal here is simply to allow their curiosity to take lead. Head over to our website and check out our Twinkl Tots play-based course for more activities.